The main site gates are secured with a combination code lock. You'll be given this code upon booking. When you take the lock off, just secure it back to one of the gates. Then this gate opens outwards, and just make sure you secure it back into the ground. And then the opposite gate goes inwards and is secured using the mechanism there. The car park is shared between both buildings, so please park as responsibly as possible and ensure that anyone has safe access to the buildings. And one of the ways you can help us to do that is ensuring that no one parks in front of either building or in front of the yellow line. Thank you. Our site is located in 1.2 acres of grassland and woodland, and on the site we've got two different buildings. So the first one here is High Cross Community Hall. This is a multi-use community facility for all of the community, from everything from a taekwondo class through to a birthday party. And the further building you can see towards the end there is our activity centre, designed for young people in scouting and guiding across Newport and further afield to experience adventure as close to home as possible. The door to High Cross Community Hall is managed through a remote lock. Everyone gets a unique code, and it is sent to you after you've completed your building declaration and induction confirmation. So that's the forms you sign once you've watched all of the videos and read our terms and conditions and health and safety processes. Everybody's code is unique, and it is set for your booking time and your booking time alone. So you won't get in before or after that. To wake the lock up, you just select one of the keys, press it once, and it will beep at you. Then enter your code, which is a 6-digit randomly generated code, and then you're in. One thing to remember about the door is once it's shut, you'd need the code to get back in. So you're best to leave it ajar until everyone's in, and then shut it just to make sure you keep all the heat in. This is the hallway to High Cross Community Hall. So we're flanked either side by two different notice boards. This notice board is all of the safety critical information that you need for your stay with us. So that's everything from the fire safety plan, how to evacuate the building, the do's and don'ts, and what to do before you leave. And in the centre of the board here, you'll see a set of QR codes. These take you to all of the licenses, health and safety procedures, and all of that other sort of stuff that you might want to be reading about the building, especially if you're using us regularly. On the other side of the hallway, you've got our community notice board. This contains all of the different information about lots of different services in the community, everything from local authority to groups that meet here. You'll also see that we've got male and female toilets here, and at the back of the hall, there's a fully accessible toilet. Welcome to the main hall of High Cross Community Hall. Across the building, you'll see several different fire exits, the main one being the main entrance that we've just come through. The door on the right, which is fitted with a full accessible ramp that goes into the car park, and the one on the left that has a short set of stairs. If there were to be a need to evacuate, the door on the right should be used as the primary means of evacuation, as that takes you straight out into the open space of the car park, rather than a short set of stairs between two buildings. Please note that there is no smoking or vaping anywhere across our site, including the exterior of our buildings. In an emergency, once outside of any of our buildings, you must stay out. You must muster at the fire assembly point, which can be seen on the far fence there, which is adjacent to our secondary exit gate. If you did require that gate, the code is the same as the primary gate you came through at the start of your booking. Please summon the emergency services as soon as it's safe to do so via 999. And once the emergency services are on site, please let us know via the contact number on your booking and on all of our signage. Throughout the building, you'll see several fire appliances. Please take some time to familiarise yourselves with them, but please only use an extinguisher or a fire blanket if you're trained and comfortable to do so. You'll also find a fully stocked first aid kit in our kitchen, with just next to it a fire blanket for any kitchen-related emergencies. Next to the first aid kit, you'll find a QR code for our incident reporting form. If you were to need to use the first aid kit or there was any incidents while you're with us, please scan that and complete it, and it will come to us as a management team. This is our newly refurbished kitchen here in the hall. where we've got a fully working oven, hob, fridge, microwave, urn, and several kettles. Feel free to use everything as long as you leave it as you found it. You'll also find a full suite of mugs, glasses, crockery, etc. in different cupboards, and you'll find some of our drawers and cupboards are labelled for specific things. For example, cleaning materials, tea towels, etc. One asks from us, if you use any of our tea towels, once they're dirty, please pop them in the basket down there and we'll get them washed ready for your next use. The hall is fitted with a smart heated system, which is managed off-site. If for whatever reason there was any problems with the heating while you were here, please give us a call and we'll get that sorted for you. You'll find thermostats located around the building. Please do not tamper with them as you will change the settings. Please just give us a call. You'll also find different types of heating appliance. Obviously, we've got some electric heaters here. The switches on them, etc., will just turn them off and it won't make them any hotter or colder, so please don't tamper with them. Across the site, we operate a zero waste policy, so all rubbish must be taken with you. We do obviously encourage you to recycle as much as possible. We also ask that you don't put any blue tack or sticky tape on the walls that will mark or damage, as this causes significant damage and cost to our volunteers and time. Thank you. Our accessible toilet and baby change is located in the back corner of the hall. The light switch is just outside the door, so just turn that off before you go in. And once you come in, you'll see a full suite of accessible facilities along with baby change, nappy bin, etc. We have a wide selection of furniture for you to use while using the hall. We ask that you don't use any of this furniture outside, and please return it as you found it. This can take up a lot of space if not stacked safely and securely. The tables can be found on a trolley here that can be taken around the hall. However, please make sure that the straps are secured at all times when not unloading or loading the trolley. The light switch for this area is found just on the wall here, and the curtain operations are just behind the curtain here with just a pulley to open and close it. We are very fortunate to have a full audio-visual setup here in the hall. All of the instructions can be found on the wall with different remotes and a HDMI port here for you. The remotes go back on the wall with a small magnet, and as you can see, we've got a full screen and projector that connects to, along with a full speaker system. Before leaving the hall, please make sure you're leaving it as you found it. All of the cleaning materials and equipment you need to do that are either behind the curtain or located in the kitchen. If you've opened any windows and doors, please make sure they're secured. Any overruns are chargeable. It is likely that another booking will be coming in after you. And please remember that your door code will not work after the end of your booking. If you have caused any accidental damage while you're here with us, please give us a call on the number that was on your booking form and on the board in the hallway. We will come and sort that out before someone else arrives at the building. Thank you. Thank you for watching today's induction video. Before you leave the site, please make sure the car park is empty and both gates are secured shut using the code lock. After watching today's video, please complete the induction confirmation online, and then we will send you all of the access codes you need to get into the building for your booking. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or drop us an email and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy using our facility.